I've got an access database, so I click on access, I click on connect, and then I would look for the particular database I'd want to connect to. So I should have the Adventure Works database. I haven't got it onto the computer at the moment in time. I've got this one here. I double click, see if I can connect to it, and it should try to make a connection to the database. If there's any problems, it will show here through the connection. It says the 64-bit version of the Access Database Engine might be required, so you've got this link here. So this is an important little thing there. So we can go to the website, we can go to this website here. I'm just going to highlight the link, just not including the full stop and copy that, and then I'm just going to go to Google Chrome and just type that address in the top here. There we go. So here we go. So this one here, resolving issues. So has information here. So this is a page that's worth going through and then downloading the right version of the database, making sure that we've got that as well. And then it goes on to different other issues and problems here. So here's the download link here for the Access Database Engine download. So let's have a quick click on that, and then let's just zoom back here. So here's, I've got a download here. So I'm just going to make sure I've got the 64-bit data engine. Just zoom back in a bit so you can see a bit more. Then click on next. Okay, decide where I'm going to download it. Access Database Engine, and that should be downloading. So that'd be good. Once that's downloaded, I can click on it to go to install it. Just click on yes to confirm. And there it's going to install the database engine there. There we go. Just going to bring this to the screen there so you can see the installation. Just going to click on next, accept the terms, click on next, and it's going to install it into Microsoft Office. That's fine. While that's happening, I should probably best shut down Power BI as well, not to save changes. It has been set up successfully. That's fantastic. So now if I open up Power BI, I have a shortcut on the desktop. Great, so Power BI is already started. We can see here, let's move myself down here like that. So I don't want to sign in just yet, so I'm going to click on the little cross there, and I'm going to click on this here, this splash screen, because I'm going to go and get data this way as well. So click on Get Data. I'm going to go to More, and I'm going to find Access. There it is here. And now I can look for an Access database. I have this database here. It's not much, but it should at least be able to connect to the database. Again, if there's any other issues, I'm going to have to download it. But there we've got it. I've got a connection to our database here. So yeah, that really helps us out there. So hopefully that solved that problem of the error of it not connecting to the database or to an Access database. Thank you so much for watching.